In today's tutorial, we are going to see the Python function, Python list. Let's get started. Creating function. So for this, we will define my function is def my function. For my function, I want to print hot season. For this, we will print my function. As you can see, summer is very hot season. As we want to print the function. So this is how you can create the my function in for loop. We can also add arguments to the function. For this, we can write define my function. We will write the function name, that is f name. Here you can give any kind of name you want to your function. We will print our f name, that is function name, plus you want to print any kind of message, that is I will write sweet. Now we will define the function. Different function we can define, like my function. I will write the first sweet mangoes. By the way, you can just hit the tab if you don't want to write all the complete statement, that is my function. If you hit the tab, if you write just my and hit the tab, here you can get the different options whichever you want to use. I will write, and again I will write my function as. Here you can see the sweet name is already added to your function, that is the f name, that is mango sweet. Here for the construction I can also write r sweet here also. Here you can see mangoes are sweet, watermelon are sweet, and bananas are also sweet. So you can also add this kind of arguments. So now we will move toward the list, Python list. So list are the variables that are used to store multiple items in single variable. Lists are created using square brackets. So we will move further to a list. Lists in Python. So we will see the first example quickly. My list. We will create one variable, my list. We will assign the values in square bracket. We will assign the values sports. Again, you can write here. We like movies. Hopefully study. So we will print this using my list. We will print the my list. So in single variable we have assigned the multiple values, that is sports, movie, study. As we print the my list, we get the output. We can also use different kind of statements in my list. I will just copy paste it here, and I will write length of my list. Here you can see, as I have assigned the three values, that is the sport, movies, and study, it is showing me the length as 3. We can also create the multiple list in Python. Let's see the example. I will create 2 to 3 lists, that is list 1. List 1 I want to be list 1 equals to. Make sure you are typing the list in square bracket. I will write the different sports like this. List 2 I will print as. Write the simple numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers as you want. I will write the list 3. I want my list 3 as. You can write any statement like mangoes, banana, tree, true statement, or you can write false, and write anything as you want. I will keep it simple, and here we will write our next statement. Here I have assigned the multiple values, that is list 1, list 2, list 3, and now you can print the values of list 1, list 2, list 3 as at the same time using the data types also. In this section we have typed the length. We can also print the type. Print type. Here you can see it is a type of list. So that's all about the list and conditional statement, that is if else loop, for loop, while loop statement. We are seeing in this section we are seeing the Python loop statement, function and list. If you like the video, hit like and do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.
Lit, roll up to the party.